In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website to get started. Open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all the changes to your page. So make sure you are on the correct site before moving forward. Once the editor is fully loaded, head over to the top left corner and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This menu gives you access to different content blocks and tools you can place on your site. From there, look for the Button section. Inside that section, choose Document Button. Wix provides a few button styles, so select the one you want to use and drag it onto your page. Place it wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors, such as near important content, in a resources section, or anywhere people will easily notice it. A document button is useful because it lets visitors click and open or download a PDF directly from your site. After placing the button, click on it to bring up the floating menu. In that menu, select Change File. This is the option that connects your button to the PDF you want visitors to access. As soon as you click it, the Wix Media Manager will open. Inside the Media Manager, click Upload Media, then browse your computer and choose the PDF file you want to add. Once you've selected the correct file, click Open to begin the upload. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Wait until the upload is fully complete before continuing, so the file is properly available inside Wix. When the upload finishes, select the PDF file from your media library and click Add to Page. At this point, your document button will be linked to that PDF. This means when someone clicks the button on your live website, they will be able to access the file you uploaded. Before making the change live, it's a good idea to click Preview and test the button yourself. This helps you confirm that it opens the correct PDF and works the way you expect. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish to save and apply your changes to the live version of your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Wix website using a document button. This is a simple and effective way to share brochures, guides, menus, forms, or other downloadable files with your visitors. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.